Alrighty guys, today I want to bring a modern flair to an old school type of hairstyle, and to be honest, the older school looks with the longer sides are coming back hot. Mix that with a matte finish and some spicy separation, and you've got yourself a killer hairstyle. In the chair today, we've got Jeremy. He works at Alfonso men's hair salon and is in the acting game as well. He's also got a lot of fine hair, and even though he's got a good head of hair, because it's on the more fine side, it's hard for him to maintain any volume at all, and that's what we want to have changed today. Rikki is our man given the cut, someone I can rely on every time to come through with the hot hairstyles, so if you want to check either of these dudes out along with the salon, check the links down below. So Rikki started the trim with texturizing shears. Well, it's a bit of an odd move there, Rikki, but actually it makes sense. It helped trim down some length around the edges while providing some nice edgy texture. Now with the scissors, Rikki is continuing to cut down the bulk without going too short on the back and sides. This ain't no fresh fade today. The razor is used for the details around the edges and around the ears. Best thing that I learned when dealing with longer hair on the sides is still get those maintenance trims around the ears. It's gonna make the growing up process so much nicer. And now for the top. The whole idea here is to leave enough length to have fun with the hair and create some versatile, messy looks while still having enough support to maintain volume. The finer that your hair is, the shorter the length you should have in order to achieve longer lasting volume. Now, as you'll hopefully have noticed by now, there's no undercuts or disconnects happening with this hairstyle, which means all the scissor work happening is intended to have the haircut as a whole blend into itself, which is what really brings out that classic flair. And there we go. At this point, the hairstyle is done and it's time to start with the best bit, the styling. Going in with Cloud Control Hair Oil by BluMaan to provide that all-day leave-in conditioning effect while making the hair itself really soft and manageable. Then we're throwing in some original on top, which is going to provide that next level control and structure before hitting it with a blow dryer. For the blow drying, the beauty of this hairstyle is that you can really just start blow drying the hair back since it's naturally going to be flowing together. Once Rikki gets the hair going in the right direction, he's going to finish off with the brush to build those hairstyle details and bring the modern take on this classic hairstyle to life. A little bit of Monarch matte paste for that lightweight texturizing effect, and we've got ourselves a finished hairstyle.